Looking for a great way to store and keep your projects together that's frugal? Let me show you. And keep all of your projects, products, accessories, and notions together. Let me show you. Bag them and hang them. Everything in one bag. A project in the bag. And to keep my items together as I sew, I bought these little bags from Amazon. I kept wondering and trying to figure out a way to keep everything together, and those large food bags, Ziplocs, were quite expensive. So I went to Amazon and I searched around for something that was more frugal and economical. And I came up with these. And it has a handle on the bag. And it's clear. You can see through, see exactly what's inside the bag without a lot of digging. And this is how it looks. The bag is big enough to accommodate your patterns and all your accessories that you need for that one project. Sort of like a project in a bag. And you can hang them on a rack or hanger and hang them in the closet. Ideal.